Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be potting up this orchid that I've been trying to save for I feel like maybe it's been two years now. So I have the worst luck with orchids, and every time I get one, the flowers right away just fall off, and then I'm left with a bunch of leaves, and then usually I kill the leaves too, but somehow I've managed to keep this one alive, and for a while it was living just in the bark that I got it in, and then I learned about water culture, so I tried that, which was like doing okay, but I started to notice that this leaf right here was getting some dark spots, so I'm thinking maybe water culture is too much for this one. I don't know the variety. I am putting it in a super holy orchid pot, so hopefully this will give air to the roots and you know, not rot my plant as I usually do. You know, usually I overwater it where the leaves just turn brown and fall off, or sometimes I've tried to like not water it forever because I'm too afraid to overwater, and then the same thing happens, then all my roots die. So I'm really conflicted with how to care for these. Actually, this one has suffered a lot. Can you see these little marks right here? So last summer I kept it in my breezeway, and a chipmunk found its way in and did some damage. But what can I do when I bring my plants out? I can't really escape nature, you know? So I will show you guys what I'm gonna put in this pot. So first I have my little screen at the bottom just to prevent most of the mix of getting out. I'm going to put some lava rock at the bottom. Make sure nothing is getting soggy. Here, can you see it, guys? Just those little lava rocks. I'm gonna add some orchid mix to the top of the lava rocks, and I think already I can start to, because these roots are pretty big, so I'm gonna already start to put them inside of the pot and kind of keep the plant hovering and try to add a little mix around the roots. So I'm not sure if you can see in there, but I've added some more of the mix, and now I'm going to add a little more of the lava rocks to kind of give a little air to the roots, making sure that they're not going to get too soggy. This gets a little bit messy, but hopefully it will save my poor orchid that's just suffering in my care. So I plan to give this thing a misting like almost every day. My mom is really good at growing orchids. She always buys them like barely alive on sale. Because they no longer have the spike, and she just like brings them back to life, and her method is just like super airy mix and misting every other day, or maybe she even mists every day. I have to consult with her, but that's my plan for this one. I think I'm just gonna keep it super airy and just give it some mistings. There's a few more spots of that. So guys, this is what happened here. Finished product. There's a few of the lava rocks on the leaves, but I'll get those out of here. No problem. So yeah, wish me luck, guys. If you have any advice on how to care for orchids, or if you know what type of orchid this is. I mean, obviously we don't know what the bloom looks like. It's been so long since I've seen a bloom on it that I have no clue what it is. But yeah, if you guys have any advice, or if you have actually any advice on how I should feed it, I do have like an orchid fertilizer, but I've never actually fertilized my orchids. So yeah, let me know what your advice would be on that and how often you do it. And I'll give you guys an update. Hopefully this little thing grows for me and kind of reawakens, because I am proud that I've kept it alive this long, but really barely alive and no spike for like 2 years. I think it's about time that things change. So I will give you guys an update soon. Thanks again for tuning in, and I hope you're having a happy day. I'll see you soon. Ciao, ciao.